See what the professional is going to tell me how we did. I don't know. I'm kind of scared here. Let's check it out.
Terrible.
It looks terrible. He told me that's it. We got to tear it all apart. What's up, what's up? I'm Rebuilder Guy, and this is my wrecked superboat. It's a 2014 Super Aeronautique 230 that I bought at Copart. If you want to watch the entire playlist, link is going to be in the top right-hand corner. We've been at work for about a month on this thing, doing all the fiberglass and then making it nice and straight. Today's goal is to do the finishing work, contouring, or making these contour lines here nice and straight from the factory. And then we're going to get this thing gel coated. But the shop is about 250 miles away. Hopefully this janky trailer makes it, because I don't trust it at all. On this side, same thing is going on. We literally just have these couple lines to finish up, and I'm gonna let Metal Mike show his magic on how he does this. It is coming out wonderful. Look at this. We're also gonna use that glass to make sure it's nice and straight here, like on that side. We reinforced this gunnel here. Let's see if I can show you. If you can see that. It's reinforced and solid. So no problems with the wake tower once it's gonna be on here. Let's get this thing done and on its way to get gel coated. All right, well, somebody forgot to record the process of getting these lines lined up, but I got the trusty old workhorse, the 6.0, ready to tow her to get this gel coat done. It's looking pretty good. All right, let's hit the road. This Highway 21 is beautiful, just past College Station. It's such a nice ride. Trailer's doing okay, but one of the wheels is acting up. I'm pulling over ever so often just to check up on things. The 6.0 is doing okay. I'm driving, what, 60 miles an hour? Still in first gear. I got that super transmission. All right, finally made it to Marine Clean here in Nacogdoches. Right, Nacogdoches? Is that where we're at? Awesome. I got Jay here. What's up, man? How you doing? Doing pretty good. Let's go walk over this boat. See what the professional is going to tell me how we did. I don't know. I'm kind of scared here. Let's check it out.
Terrible.
It looks terrible. He told me that's it. We got to tear it all apart. Got to redo it.
No, actually it all looks really good. Y'all did a good job. There's a few spots here that we see right off the bat. Some pinholes and things here that need to be filled in before we shoot gel coat. What we're probably going to end up doing is applying a thin layer of spot putty here, filling the pinholes in, reblocking the whole surface, prepping it for gel coat, and then shooting right here, just so that we have everything nice and straight and level, and I know where it is then there. So but as far as the glass work goes, it's pretty phenomenal work for a first timer right here.
You heard that?
Yeah.
Phenomenal. He said phenomenal glass work for the first timer. So I will take that as a win for sure. We're also gonna go around to his shop and see what kind of work he does here, because I see a whole bunch of cool stuff. What about this side? What do we got going on?
Pretty much the same thing. You see pinholes and whatnot here in the raw fiberglass here. I kind of see them spotted and peppered all over here. So
yeah, I see that.
That's kind of first and foremost is to get all the
imperfections.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything filled in.
Awesome.
Ready to go. So
Okay.
same as the other side. We'll fill it, block it, and shoot it.
Well, let's go see the shop. Let's go see what's going on in there. Now that is what you call a boat shop.
Yeah.
A lot of work going on. Hopefully they don't demonetize me for that music.
That's what I like. Oh man.
It's all right. It's all right. There's some work you guys are doing?
Over here, I can show you. There was a big damaged area here. We reshot all the flake stripes. We're getting ready to shoot the black flake right now, so
Okay.
I have this ready to do that.
We're not going to show them the special thing that's going on the boat yet, right? No, we'll show that towards the end. Okay.
Right there.
All right, awesome.
But, I mean, you can see around what we're doing. Everything is fiberglass
Yeah.
work. It's our bread and butter here. This is what we thrive on. This is what we do. I got guys right now prepping a boat for reshooting flake and stripes on it as well right here. New Gelcoat.
So a whole bunch of custom work as well going on.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
thing with
awesome.
This boat right here.
Okay.
This is a older champion right here, bass boat. Customer is paying to have just total redo. We're redoing all the gel coat, all the carpet, all the seats, the trailer, you name it, it's getting done here. So anything on a boat,
That is awesome.
we do it here. So
That is awesome.
There's nothing that we can't do here.
So my boat's going to be in good hands then.
It will.
Okay, awesome. That's
I'll
all.
try to-
That's all I want to hear. Let's have a little heart-to-heart. The primer has been sprayed a couple days ago, and Jason gave me a call and told me to head on out because he has something special planned for the boat. So I'm driving about 4.5 hours each way just to get a minute's worth of footage for you guys. And I hope that you guys appreciate this video as much as I appreciate you guys watching. So if you could hit that like button, it definitely helps the channel. It helps this video get boosted in the searches. Yeah, let's go see what Jason has planned for the boat. All right, I made it back to the shop. He got another Malibu here that took some damage here on the keel. Look at this awesome setup here. That thing is holding up the entire boat. That is awesome. Let's go look at the Nautique. Let's see what's going on. What he has planned is awesome, and I can't wait to show you. Everything is prepped and ready for Gelcoat. He wants to do the first section here with something special. Here as well, all these sections, all these little pieces got repaired and ready for Gelcoat as well. Let's look on this side. I am so excited. I've been waiting for this for months. This is going to be epic. All right. Jason the Magician, show me how it's done. The base is sprayed. Now it's time for that marine clean magic. This is going to be magnificent. All right, Jason just sprayed down this flake on this side. Now it's up to Marine Clean standards. There's a lot more work that goes into just spraying. This is only the beginning. This is the easy part. The blocking, the cleaning, the wet sanding after this, that is when it's gonna get interesting. And this is gonna end up looking like this. Let me show you real quick. That's gonna be the gray with the flake up against that red. Can you picture it? I cannot wait to see this thing in red. That is absolutely beautiful. Wow. Now that's a super boat. The boat is coming out awesome, but there's so much more work to go. Jason, can you tell us what else that we need to do here? Other than the red gel coat, obviously.
Well, all we got to do is finish right now, and that'll be it. But no, seriously, what we're going to end up doing here is it still needs to be we're going to sand the flake area, retape to shoot the red, sand that, retape to shoot the white, and then once all that is done, comes together, we'll end up blocking the whole thing, sanding, wet sanding, and buffing out, and then final wax after that right there. So
it's going to be a wax and all that good stuff. This color's actually going to pop even more, right?
That's right. Against it's going to contrast good against the red, and it's really going to look good once it gets sanded and buffed out. I mean, this is just the start right now. It's really gonna look good, especially when the sun hits it here. So it's gonna be an awesome finish. I'm excited.
Jason, thank you so much, man. I'm gonna come and see you once this thing is nice and ready. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, I've been posting a whole bunch of pictures of this entire process before you guys saw it here on YouTube. And that was about 2.5 weeks of work. I finally made it back to Marine Clean. Jason told me it is done and ready for pickup. So let's go check it out. Even from here, I could already see the flake. It is absolutely beautiful. Would you look at that? Oh, wow. That is sick, yo. That is beautiful. Remember how much damage was in this section here? We were literally missing a gap. There's a gap missing. Check this out. That's better than the factory because you know this side is stronger now. This is sick. Also got this cap for the NSS done. It was damaged here on this corner. It looks mighty fine, if I may say so myself. This side looks sick too. I mean, look at this flake. Look at this sparkle. This boat is phenomenal. I'm literally lost for words. The next step, guys, we already have all the towers, the glass, everything is just ready to put together and hit the lake. And just to be clear, Marine Clean did not sponsor this video. I literally wanted to shout out this small Texas company because they deserve it. They're the only company that let me record and show the entire process. So shout out to them. I'm gonna link them down below, their Facebook and their Instagram. Go show them some love. They got some pretty cool pictures of boats they're rebuilding themselves, and they got custom boats and custom paint. And if you need flake like this that's on this boat, this is beautiful. Hit them up. Ask them how much it's gonna cost for your boat. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.